Hello people, I am back again with another video on this channel, not really tech. This time I am gonna talk about the updated rules that DigitalOcean has introduced regarding the participation in the Hacktoberfest that says Hacktoberfest is now officially opt-in only for projects and maintainers. In this video, we will understand what it means and also I will show you all how to make a successful pull request according to the updated rules that will earn you a free t-shirt. So, let's get started. So, I got this mail from the DigitalOcean regarding the updated rules of Hacktoberfest 2020. So, if we make pull request with the method I told in my last video, that will not work now. If you want to know what method I told in my last video, check out my channel. Because it's equally important to know what will not work as what will work, it's life. Now, let's talk about the rules. First rule says pull requests can be made in any Hacktoberfest participating repository. That means you can find a participating repos on the homepage of Hacktoberfest and contribute in that. Second rule says maintainers can opt in to participate by classifying their projects with the Hacktoberfest topic. That means maintainers can add Hacktoberfest topic in their repository to participate. Third and fourth rule says that pull requests made towards any repository that has Hacktoberfest topic mentioned in it will count towards the challenge. Also, if any pull request is approved with Hacktoberfest label in it in any repo, whether the repo has Hacktoberfest topic or not, it will count towards the challenge. And also the pull requests made before 3 October will count towards the challenge. On those, these new rules doesn't apply. Now, let's see how to complete the challenge according to new rules. So, this is my Hacktoberfest dashboard, and it says I haven't made any pull requests. In the dashboard, there are some ways listed through which we can complete the challenge and earn a free t-shirt. There are a way that says fork your own repo with your own pull requests. We will complete the challenge this way. So, let's head over to the home section and find the list of eligible repositories by scrolling down. Let's filter out with C++ language and click one of them. Now, let's go to the GitHub tab and fork the repository to our account by clicking on the fork button on upper right corner. Let's wait until it gets forked. Okay, so now it's ready. We will make a pull request on our own repo. Click on Add File button on top where I am clicking, then click on Create New File. After that, name your new file and paste the contents in it. Then, scroll to the bottom and select Create a new branch and hit on Propose new file. Then on the next page click on Create pull request. Now, on this page, you don't have to merge pull request now. We have to create a label for now that we will mention in pull request. So let's create a label for now. Click on the pull request tab on the top. Then, click on Labels and you will see a list of labels that are already present. Now for making a new label, click on New Label on the right side. Then, name the label as Hacktoberfest-accepted. Description is optional. And put the color code same as I am showing on screen. Color code is 9C4668. So put this color code and hit on Create Label. Then, label will be created and you will be able to use it to label your pull requests. Okay, now let's merge that pending pull request. Select that pull request and you will see an option of label with a gear icon on the right side of the page. Click on that and select our newly created label that is Hacktoberfest-accepted. And then, merge the pull request. After merging the pull request, we will check our Hacktoberfest dashboard. Okay, you can see that our pull request was counted towards the challenge, and now, we will make the remaining pull requests and complete the challenge. This time, I am gonna increase the speed to make this video shorter. Okay, now we are heading towards the completion of the challenge. If you like this video, please support me by subscribing this channel and like this video and share your feedback in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.